Hello, welcome to GoLinks Monthly Rewind, where we talk about the latest updates that happened last month. Let's go! In March, we celebrated Women's History Month. We also launched 2 amazing GoLinks integrations, Zoom and MS Teams. We published customer blogs, posted customer shoutouts on social media, and if you want to learn more, we also have customer videos. Here's Asana and SalesLoft. On March 23rd, we launched a virtual event featuring ChatGPT 4 and OpenAI. You can learn more on our website or watch the full on-demand webinar on YouTube. Here's our very own Tyler Campbell, who was our March Employee Spotlight. Check out his awesome team. Looking for productivity tips? Then I recommend subscribing to our blog newsletter. Check out our team meeting up in person, celebrating milestones, and our adorable pets. Well, that's all for now. Let's see what April has in store for us. See you in the next rewind.